Welcome back to Tim's Home Cooking, where everything is so delicious. Well, today we're going to have some crispy fried chicken, mac and cheese, and some broccoli. You still got time to come over and sit down and have a plate with me. Hey, let's get started. Okay, folks, here we are. We get ready, get our chicken ready. We have our seasoned chicken. Got that. Seasoned chicken. We got our buttermilk. And we got our flour. Okay, so what we're going to do, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to dip chicken in the buttermilk. It's gonna be so delicious. That's the first step. Y'all know I love buttermilk chicken. It's so delicious. Some people like to double dip it. I'm not going to double dip. I'm just going to do one dip. We're just having legs and wings. Legs and wings. And as I said earlier, it's going to be so delicious. You can come. I'm waiting for you. Let's get our chicken. Crispy chicken. All right. Hey ladies and gentlemen, now it's time to start deep frying our delicious fried chicken. It's gonna be so delicious. Well, let's go. That's right, anchovies. Here it is, finished product. Fried chicken, macaroni and cheese, and black-eyed peas. I was gonna have some broccoli, but I changed my mind. Well, anyway, this is it. Let's see how it tastes. It looks so delicious. Well, you still got time. So I'm gonna get you a plate. Come on, let's go. All right, folks, here we go. My plate. It looks so delicious. Yeah. Well, let's give it a try. Let's try black-eyed peas first. Yep. So delicious. A macaroni and cheese. That's more black-eyed peas. Can't help it. Macaroni and cheese. That is so delicious. Hey, listen. You don't have any time now. I'm getting ready to eat it up. I offered you to come and get you a plate. Too late now. Crispy chicken. Did you hear that crunch? Oh my God. Buttermilk chicken. You just cannot beat that anywhere in the whole world. Let me get another bite of that. That is real. That is good chicken. It's delicious. Well, folks, this is the end of our video. If you like what you've seen on this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the video on YouTube. And please leave a comment down below, and we will get back with you. This is Tim's Home Cooking, where the food is, well, everything is so delicious. Hey, I love y'all. I'll see y'all next time.